SDT, Space and Defence Technologies, one of the companies that meet many requirements of the Turkish Armed Forces and Security Forces in the defence industry, in the field of defence electronics and nanobiz technology, which develops successful products in the field of biotechnology and conducts original studies on CBRN in the defence industry, joined their forces to develop portable PCR test equipment and diagnostic kits to be used in these devices together. Covid-19 tests, which have been performed with PCR test devices supplied from abroad, are now carried out by using domestic facilities and capabilities by means of the nationally designed and produced portable test devices and nationally developed diagnostic kits. Domestic and national product. Fast and safe results whenever and wherever you want, thanks to its being portable. Fast results in less than 60 minutes. Capability to analyze with a small number of samples, regardless of the high patient sample volume. Capability to execute 92 reactions and test 72 patient samples at the same time. Capability to automatically send the test result to smart devices as a notification. It allows rapid testing in primary healthcare facilities, fully equipped quarantine and filtration teams, and mobile test centres. Pre-check-in tests of arriving passengers can be carried out in less than 60 minutes at the airline. Mobile test centre and safe travel of passengers is ensured by rapidly directing positive passengers to the health institution. Thanks to the tests that can be performed routinely with the mobile test centre, which can be installed in educational institutions, student and institution security is provided at the maximum level. Thanks to the feature of automatically uploading the test results to access control systems and cards over the internet, positive patients are prevented from entering automatically at the entry point. In workplaces and institutions with high number of employees, such as factories, it's important to ensure the continuity of the activity. In order not to interrupt workplace activities due to positive cases, the mobile test centre, which can be positioned quickly in the workplace, ensures the health, safety and continuity of the workplace by making routine checks of the employees.